Hello friends, let us now learn about the barium sulfate adverse effects or side effects of using barium sulfate. Number 1. Barium sulfate when it extravasates. Okay, when it extravasates into the peritoneum. Number 1. It can cause chemical peritonitis. That is, inflammation of peritoneum can occur because of barium when it extravasates into the peritoneum. It can also extravasate into the bronchial tree, or it can extravasate into the urinary tract. When it extravasates into bronchial tree or urinary tract anywhere, it will result in inflammation. Then, barium sulfate in the cases of colonic obstruction. If it is given in patient with colonic obstruction, it can result in formation of hard stones. Because when you give barium swallow or in any way, if you give it in colonic obstruction, so this barium, because of the obstruction, it cannot, if there is an obstruction here, this gets accumulated here. So because of that, slowly the barium will lose the stability property and it becomes unstable and it settles down, and at the end it results in formation of nothing but stones. Next. Now, if this barium sulfate, if in any way it enters the blood intravascularly, it enters into the blood, then it will result in embolism, which can be life-threatening also. It is stated that this barium will also result in appendicitis. But barium sulfate causing appendicitis is actually not proved. Then, one more important thing is when barium is given and if there is perforation of any part of gut, be it small intestine, large intestine or any part of gut. Now this barium will enter peritoneum, number 1. Okay, through the peritoneum, now the barium gets absorbed. Okay, this absorbed barium will reach the circulation into the blood and it reaches the blood-brain barrier, process it and concentrates in CSF. Okay, and then it will cause inflammation to the brain and it will result in encephalopathy. So barium at the end, it can go to the brain and cause encephalopathy. Then next, this barium can, number 1, mimic cancer, and if barium is left in our body for longer period of time, if it is long standing, then this barium can also be carcinogenic also. Okay, so this is about the side effects or adverse effects of barium sulfate. Thank you.